Open the ETAP software. Open first click on OK and open previous model. In this video, we are performing the seismic analysis and also the seismic analysis by the two methods. Seismic analysis by the response spectrum method and the time history method. First, we are define the seismic load. Define the load. Click on define and then click on the load patterns. They are already added the seismic load. Where therefore I am deleting the load. I will show you how the seismic load added. So first add the seismic load. Choose the type the seismic and choose the IS code IS 1893 2016. Click on OK and click on add new load and then click on modify return load. Here only the click on the X direction and the Y direction. Other direction and the Y direction eccentricity, X direction and eccentricity, it is not necessary. X direction and the Y direction, it shows the actual position of the building. We are open the IS 1893. First going the Indian map for finding the zones. Our location is Pune. Then yellow region shows the Pune. Yellow means zone 3. Means that Pune includes in the zone 3. Then going the table number 2 and choose the seismic zone factor for the zone 3. It is the 0.16. Then going the and click on 0.16. Site type. According to the soil, site type changes. For that, going the page number 13. For the type 1, if the soil site is rock or the hard soil, then choose the type 1. If the site soil is a medium soil, then choose the type 2. And if the site soil is soft soil, then choose the type 3. We are choose the type 2 because our site soil is the medium soil. Then choose the site soil. Then importance factor. For the importance factor, open the IS 183 and going the page number 19. Our building is residential, therefore choose the 1.2. And for the response reduction factor, going the page number 20. According to the frame structure, the response reduction factor changes. Our structure is RC building with the ordinary moment resisting frame. Therefore, our response reduction factor is the 3, and here add the 3. Then click on OK. Then click on OK. In this way, add the seismic load. Then click on again define and add the load combinations. If this load combinations is not this load combination is not available, then add the default design combinations and click on the concrete frame design and then click on OK. But here already defined the load cases, therefore it is not necessary. Then click on OK. Then going the analysis, click on the set a load case to the run. At the time of the seismic load analysis, wind analysis is not done, therefore click on here and click on the don't not run. Then click on the run now. Then software starts the analysis, means that seismic analysis. It shows the deformation shape. Click on display and we can see the deform shape or the stress diagrams in this way. We can also see the moment diagram. This is the equivalent load, this is the shear, and this is the moment. In this way we can see the shear load and the moment. And click on the undeformed shape, then this going the original shape. Then click on design, click on concrete frame design and click on view reference and choose the IS code 456 and click on OK. Then going the design option, click on concrete frame design and click on the start design. And here the seismic analysis is done. Then going design option, sorry, now then again start the design procedure, because one of the member is failure. And here the analysis is done or design is done. Then click on the option. Sorry, click on the design. Going to concrete from design and click on the verify all member pass. Here all the members pass. Then our structure is saved. Then we are going the seismic analysis by the response spectrum method. First click on the load patterns. Click on modify lateral loads. Before that, unlock the model. Then click on OK. Then click on define. Click on the edit load patterns. Click on the seismic load and modify the edit loads and check the X direction and the Y direction. Then click on OK. Then click on OK. Then click on the define and click on the functions and choose the response spectrum. Click on the IS 1893 2016. For the seismic analysis, we are use the this IS code. Therefore, choose this IS 1893 2016. Click on add new functions and function name is response spectrum. Seismic zone is 3. Seismic zone factor is 0.16. Importance factor 1.2. Soil type choose the 2 and response factor choose the 3. These all the values taken from the IS 1893. Then click on OK. Then click on OK. Then going to display. Sorry, going to the option and click on the display units and check the acceleration unit per second square. Then it's okay. And click on the load cases. Click on the seismic and click on the modify showcase. Load case name is response spectrum added, and here click the response spectrum, then click on the add and here choose the response spectrum and scale factor. The for the scale factor Find out by using the formula I into G divided by 2 into R. Here I indicates the importance factor, G gravity, and R indicates the response factor. Put the value and then find the scale factor in this way. Then add the response factor and put the scale factor. Then click on OK. Then click on OK. Then going the analyze. Click on this set load cases together. At the time of the response factor, don't need the dead load and the live load analysis. And click on the run now. The software takes some time for the analysis. Then click on the design, click on concrete frame design and click on the view reference. Choose the S456 2000 and click on OK. Then click on the design and choose the concrete frame design. In this, click on start design. Click on yes. Here design is done. Then click on the sorry. Here design is not done. Your design is done. Then click on the design, click on the concrete frame design, and click on the verify all member paths. Here all the member paths means that our structure is saved. Then click on OK. Then unlock the model. Then click on the define and click on the load faces. Sorry, load patterns. Going the seismic and click on the modify and choose only the x direction, because this analysis doing at a time the only one direction. Then click on the OK. Click on the OK. And then click on the define and click on functions, and we are now doing the seismic analysis by the time history method. Therefore click on the time history. Click on the from the file and add the new function. So click on the from the file and click on the add new functions, and here add the time history. Click on the browse. Click on the browse. Click on the downloads. Then open. In this we take on the data. Here put lane. Here put 9. And here put the 1. In this way add the values and click on the OK. Then click on the OK. Then click on the define. Load cases. Add the new case. At the time of the time history method, the response vector method not necessary, therefore edit the case and add the new case. Time history. Click on the add new case and click on the choose the time history. Here some of the error happened, therefore I reboot. Click on the time history. Click on the add. And put the scalar factor 1962 according to the calculation. And here also put the scale factor 1962 according to the calculation. Then click on OK. Then click on OK. Then going to the analyze and click on the set load. At the time of the time history analysis, not necessary the another analysis like the dead load, dead load and the weight analysis. So for that, this is click on the don't run, and we are going only for the time history analysis. Then click on the run now. Here the analysis is done. Then we are going to design. I click on the concrete frame design. Click on the view reference and choose the IS 456 2000 and click on OK. And click on the design and click on the concrete frame design and click on the start design. Then click on the design, click on the concrete frame design, and click on the verify all member pass. Here all the member pass means that our structure is safe. Here the seismic analysis is done, and also the seismic analysis by the time response method and response time. Sorry, here the seismic analysis done. Also the seismic analysis done by the two method, time history method and the response vector method. Here we can see the reports and also the summary reports. In this way. Here software taken some of the time for show the report. In this way we can see the report. And here the analysis and the report is done. And here I am declared at the end of the session. Thank you. In this way we can see that the report. And here I am declared the session is ended. Thank you.